Oh wait, I wasn't even filming, sorry. Okay, look at tacos. Hola, ¿cómo estás?
Hola amiga, bonito día.
Yo no sé. I'll come back, okay?
Okay.
Sí, gracias. Fifi, what you think? Which one? Tacos de birria, tortas, muchas comidas. That's what I want to say, not ropas. Comidas. Wow, so much. You get. What do you think? Tostados, rice and beans, arroz con pollo, chicken tenders, tacos, elotes.
If you want to eat something, just like two people can eat off of the tacos.
Gosh, there's so much. And then look, right across the street, there is a nuclear power plant, I think. Those are usually the shape of the buildings. Sandwiches, El Cubano. Don't mind my accent. So much food. What to pick? Is it good? So Mexican, authentic Mexican. Permiso. Hola, ¿cómo estás?
Nachos, tortas, quesadillas.
Sí, gracias.
Está lo bueno, prima. ¿Qué buscaba?
Muchos. Bien más. Allá. Fifi, what are we gonna eat? We'll probably go back to the front, right? Oh, let's see. Pinchos. Elote. Birria tacos. Oh my God. Keep walking. Hola, ¿cómo estás? Three amigos. Steak, pastor. Tacos. Muchas comidas. Oh, another doggy. Look at Fifi. See? What is this? Piña coladas. Drinks. Ooh, look at this. Huevos con chorizos. Huevos con los lotes. Carne asadas. Muchas. It's explosion of food. Oh, sorry, lo siento. Es bonita. Sí. Oh my goodness, you want to walk now? Or no? Mommy carry you? Yeah, mommy carry you. I should have brought a bag. You want to walk? Okay, hold on. Hold on. Hold on. We'll check it out. Okay, gracias. Hi. Hola, ¿cómo estás? Do you take tarjeta de credit or okay? Sí. Gracias. Fajitas combo. Oh, Fiona, wait. Come on. What do you smell? Sniffy, sniffy. Ooh, mangonada. Ooh. Muchas comidas. Papas locas, quesadilla, fish pescado. It's good? La única. Come on, you wanna go pee-pee? Good girl. Let's check down here. Oh yeah, see? There's a bigger view of the nuclear power plant in Connecticut. La Chiqui Manchi. Los Estados Unidos y Puerto Rico. Bebidas, mariscos, seafood, pinchos, curas, pastelillos, empanadas. Mi favorito, empanadas. Pollo frito, arroz, habichuelas, pincho steak, pincho pollo, pincho cerdo, pernil, chuletas. Muchas comidas. Yo no sé quiero más. Up, and then we're at the end of the line. Come on, babies. Okay, all right, baby. Hola, ¿cómo estás? And so I just walked all of that, and this is like, see the exit? Downtown West Haven, Sergeant Drive, Long Wharf Drive, and that's where we at. And there's another good look at the, I believe, the nuclear power plant. I'm gonna research that.